At Tansky Sawmill Toyota, we have always focused on putting the Ohio community first, and we are making it our mission to keep our customers and employees safe during this challenging time. Here are a few of the changes we've made when servicing your vehicle. When you bring your car into the dealership for service, our dedicated team will first wipe down the vehicle's interior. We will repeat this process before returning the vehicle to you. When you approach one of our many desks, you will notice a protective glass has been installed to protect both you and our staff. And if you see us wearing a mask, again, this is to protect all of us, but know there is a smile hiding behind each of those masks. While we prefer you drop off your vehicle, our waiting area is open but set up for social distancing. We also have loaner cars available to keep you on the road. We are offering a pickup and drop-off service for those customers that cannot make it into our dealership. If you're an essential worker, we will provide this as a complimentary service for you. We want to thank our first responders and all of our fellow Ohioans for taking these steps and more to keep us all safe and healthy. And we want to thank you for trusting us with your vehicle. We look forward to servicing you soon.